everyone, and welcome back to the A+oic. In today's video, learners, we'll be looking at how to get assistance, when reading our notes. So in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that has been integrated into the Aplusaxiom. It is an artificial intelligence tool which knows everything in your textbook alone. It knows everything in it. It knows wherever everything you want, situated on pages, right? It knows everything, can explain everything to you, can help you find everything, can help you understand. So in case you've been reading maybe your textbook and then you find anything difficult, you can come for assistance, right? So let's go and look for it, right? So you can see from this particular menu we have Learning Hub, right? If I could click on this, we have all of these here, right? That is the Learning Hub. From the Learning Hub we go to Overview. When I should click on Overview, I remember some of you were asking me where is the leaderboard. The leaderboard is here. I just decided to just take it from the sidebar, just to avoid clamping and then making it too lengthy. So you find the leaderboard right there, and then you can see what is happening. So here you can see we have this one called Ask My Textbook. So this one knows everything about your textbooks in the OIC, whether computing, well-being, sustainability, science, math, English. That is the OIC subject. And then we have also the AI tutor. This one is general AI, just like ChatGPT. Yes, it can do that for you. So I'm interested in the textbook, right? So let's have a look at the textbook. I click on Ask My Textbook, and it opens this way. So it shows you the textbook that are available, right? So if you're in grade 3, it knows that you're in grade 3 already. It knows your book already, right? You don't have to worry. This is well-being, this is science, this is math, this is English, this is computing. Since we are doing computing, let's be here. All right. So this term we are doing unit 5 and unit 6, right? So unit 5 talks about spreadsheet and analyzing data, and then unit 6 talks about digital footprint and identity, right? We did unit 3, that was on Scratch programming. So I'm going to ask a particular question. I'll say, since you already know everything in my textbook, I want you to take me through the topic entitled maybe spreadsheet or analyzing data. Alright, so let me just see. So if you have any specific thing you want to ask about anything, you can ask, right? So it just answered. It says introduction to analyzing data. The topic, let me just zoom in. It says that the topic of analyzing data is about using software to input, store, and process information. This is helpful to understand and answer. So on page 12, it tells you the page number on in the student book, right? It is stated that analyzing data involves using software to input, store, and then process information. This is is a crucial skill that helps individuals understand and answer complicated questions. So these are the key skills for analyzing data. To analyze data effectively, individuals need to process certain key skills. These key skills include reading and understanding key. So you can ask it anything, whatever you found in the textbook, the examples, the questions, you can ask it. It is going to answer. Let me shift from here. Let me move to another one. Maybe here, let me say, give me a summary of what I need to know in well-being. So let me click on this. and then let's wait. Okay, so this is a summary of what you have to know. Okay, the textbook is organized by topics, and we will walk through each topic to provide a complete understanding of the subject. So on page 1, we see the introduction to Oxford International Primary Wellbeing Activity Book. This book is designed to help students blah 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 blah. So if you know the topics, you know what you want. Okay, like maybe in the computing, but you should come here. Okay, whatever that you are doing, it saves, right? So if we click on this, okay, you can see what we were doing. So if I should click back, yes, we have this. So assuming in the computing, I will say okay, that is fine. So I'll say okay, that is fine. Right now, I want to understand what an algorithm is. Algorithm is, so explain. So let me just click on this. Right, so let's see what it says. Right, so it is going to look through your book wherever algorithms are located, everywhere. Okay, and now it is going to explain all of those parts. Okay, why it was written, right? So you can see on page 10, you can see on page 11 it talks about something, on page 12 it talks about something, 14, and so you are going to see everything about algorithm in the what, in the, and then you know one good thing is it even has a tip. Okay, it says to remember what an algorithm is, think of a recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions that is used to prepare a meal, like I explained to you in class, right? So this is the what, is the textbook AI. It knows everything about your textbook. So I want you to be what, capitalizing on what, on this. In case you are reading your textbook, your notes, and then you don't understand anything, you can either use the AI tutor, or you can use the test. If you think it is strictly in your textbook, you can find it in your textbook. If you don't understand it in the textbook, just come to the textbook or my textbook or ask my textbook, right? And then it is going to answer all of the of the dire or all of the crucial questions that you need, right? So I'll end this video here, and I'll believe, or maybe I am just hoping that this is going to be helpful to you. Until we meet again, my name is Kwame A+, and I'm out. Watch out, peace, shalom. Bye bye.